I went over to Buffalo to buy a new iPhone cord. The custom agents came out and they're like, hey, we love your show, Matty. This is great. Don't worry. We're just going to take a peek around. All of a sudden,
What's this?
help me. It's for your ear. I put it in, puff it up, and then lets the wax out. And they're like, okay. And then they put my butt plug back into, the middle console, and I was on with my day. Custom agents. Love the show. Big fans. Middle console, there's a blow-up butt plug. Don't mind it. That's not a real story. I just made that up. It's not a real story. Today, on Just a Dash, we are going to make Pollo Verde. It's one of my favorite soups ever. So we're just gonna take a chicken. Make sure you get a good chicken. And we're gonna just cut up the chicken on a really small cutting board. Get a big cleaver so then you don't really have to do anything. You can just cut through it. It's really easy. There we go. Here we have a nice pan. We're gonna be turning this on medium. Just take some canola, just cover the bottom. Salt and pepper. Put our chicken in the pan. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. Tomatillos. We're gonna add these right into the broiler. Broil it up. We're gonna char that out, get some smokiness from that. We can go back to our chicken. Boom. And that's what we're looking for. Check my rat tail. My rat tail's okay. Okay, here we go. So the chicken's gonna take some time. We're browning it. We're caramelizing it. It's becoming amazing. Now, we're gonna make the sofrito. Onions, garlic, celery, green peppers, poblano peppers, jalapeno peppers, banana peppers. Blend all of that up. We got the crispy chicken going. Yeah! Okay, calm down. Nice golden brown. That's gonna create a lot of flavor. What's going on here? Stop. No, stop. I don't know how this fucking... I'll just take this off, okay? So this is our sofrito. Yeah! Yummy. 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 Yummy stuff. Now, here we go, guys. Are you ready? Sofrito in. Yeah! Pour that all into the hot pot, and it has all that chicken skin and chicken fond that's stuck to the bottom of the pan that's creating really caramelized, deep chicken flavor. The cooking of the sofrito is so major in the development of the fucking depth of flavor that we are going to try to achieve. Because on Just a Dash, there's no bullshit. There's a lot of bullshit, I mean. There's a lot of bullshit. But at the end of the day, we're learning really how to fucking cook. You want to literally cook the sofrito, and this is gonna shock and awe all of you. About an hour. I want to cook the sofrito with you guys. We want to sit here and stand and watch and stir, and I want to cook too. I don't want to just entertain. I want to get up here and just talk about caca poo-poos. No. No, 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 no.
Matt, did you want to share how you think that it is flat?
It's pretty personal. You know, if you look at that window right now, it's flat. World's flat for sure. 100%. Prove me wrong. You go up into space, you look down, it's a fucking sheet of ice. Fucking, the world being flat just makes things a lot easier. You drive, if you drive to Australia, if you drive to Australia from here, from Fort Erie to Australia, straight, like a straight line, it's like a tank of gas, so like 7 hours. By the time I could drive in a straight shot, 1 tank of gas all the way to Australia, this could be done. I'm excited about this one, because this one's gonna take the work. This is what I do on my Sundays. My Sundays, I really like to make almost like a one pot fucking stew. And you just take your time, you put some good music on. You got your kids running around. Don't come in the kitchen!
No toys in the kitchen!
That's what you say, because you don't want to trip. All of a sudden, Sofrito, baby's face. No toys allowed in the fucking kitchen. No fucking around, okay? Ah! Look at this. The Sofrito is cooking beautifully. The house smells like peppers and onions and garlic. Ah! Look at these puppies. We got a little bit of char on them, beautiful. I'm gonna take all those juices. You guys at home smelling it? This is the thing with food. This is the thing that fucking sucks. Everyone is just left to like, it smells like candy. Oh, do you smell the cinnamon? Oh, yum, that tastes chewy. Describing food is so fucking stupid. This is chicken stock. Oh, okay. Make sure you pour enough on there to splash onto your belly. Look at this. This is beautiful. I love this. Do I have a...
What do you mean?
Like, it would kill you to have a ladle, eh? It just fucking destroy you to have a ladle on set. There's literally a ladle on set. Michelle, look how green this is.
Well, it's very verde.
It's very verde. We're just gonna add 2 pinches of salt. Just a dash. Just a dash of salt. Just a dash, I feel, is like 2 pinches. Because a dash, there's a dash less than a pinch. I don't know the rules. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. We're gonna add our chicken back into it. Boom, ba-boom, 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 ba-boom. We want this to cook for at least an hour to 2 hours. You literally could cook Sofrito forever. Turn it down really low, and you cook that, and you deeply caramelize. Let those natural sugars come out of the peppers, the onion. Oh, it's so good. Apple box. Scooch. Have you guys ever seen anyone like on an apple box be like, you're about 3 feet away from something, then you're just like, see someone scooch around on an apple box? If I don't get fucking 10 million views on this fucking bullshit, you'll never see it again! It's my swan song. I put up an Instagram post, literally took a photo of me like sitting there, I'm like sad. So many emotions on Just a Dash today, I feel broken. This is a show about cooking from the heart. And sometimes the heart gets cooked. And then I got hundreds of comments. I've missed your show immensely. Keep it up. We can't wait. Don't be sad. What? Scooch. Like, people are just acting like I'm dying. We're about to boil. We're gonna braise this nice and slow. Hour and a half. Literally, my mom texted me, is everything okay? We're going scooch, baby. It's not even boiling. My sister texts me. What's going on? Do you need help? Should I come over? My fans, my family, I do love you guys. Wasn't that sad? I was cooking Sofrito and it took a really, really long time. Here we go. Look at, oh, mama. Oh, mama. Look at this. This. Boom. Pour all that hominy in there. Look at this. POZOLE Verde Pollo. I fucking love you. This soup is so fucking good. You got the big chunks of chicken. You got those beautiful pieces of tomatillo in there. I want a few little garnishes, okay? We got radish, avocado, diced raw onion for crunch, cilantro, crema, lots of lime, some fresh cracked pepper. This is the fucking chicken soup to end all fucking chicken soups. You know? Viva Mexico, bro. Let's go. Soup. Do I got a spoon? Look at this. Oh my goodness. I want to take a photo of it. This is banging. This is so nice. Look at this soup. Yeah! Look at this. Oh my God. It's so hot. Ooh, hot. It's so hot though. Green chicken soup. That's what it is. Green chicken soup. Enjoy. I can't stop eating it. Oh! Mama, that is good. Thank you very much. That's how you make Pozole Verde Pollo. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. If you subscribe, then you know when all my videos come out. These videos are coming out all the time. I don't know when they're coming out, but they're coming out. If you subscribe, then we're together forever. Like button.